Welcome to Tactical Masters, your source for aviation and military insights. In today's video, we explore the Islamic Republic of Iran Air Force, its origins, leadership, aircraft fleet, air defense network, unmanned capabilities, and future direction. From its foundation in 1925 to its transformation after the 1979 Islamic Revolution, Iran's Air Force has evolved through monarchy, revolution, war, sanctions, and modernization. Today, it stands as one of the most unique air forces in the Middle East, operating a rare mix of American, Russian, Chinese, and domestically produced aircraft. The Iranian Air Force was originally founded on February 25, 1925 as the Imperial Iranian Air Force. Following the 1979 revolution, it was reorganized under its current structure as part of the Islamic Republic of Iran Army. Headquartered in Tehran, the service is responsible for aerial warfare and national airspace defense. Iran's Air Force operates with approximately 37,000 personnel and maintains an estimated fleet of 330 to 350 aircraft. The Air Force operates under Iran's centralized military command system. The Commander-in-Chief of Iran's armed forces is Ali Khamenei, who serves as the supreme authority over all military branches. Operational leadership of the Air Force is handled by the Commander of the Air Force, Brigadier General Bahman Bemerd, supported by senior deputy commanders responsible for readiness, coordination, and modernization. The Islamic Republic of Iran Air Force operates a diverse and unique fighter fleet, blending legacy Western jets, Russian designs, and domestically produced aircraft. Despite decades of sanctions and aging airframes, Iran has maintained a capable defensive and offensive fighter force. At the top of Iran's air combat hierarchy is the legendary Grumman F-14 Tomcat. Once a symbol of American air power, Iran is now the only operator in the world. The F-14s are used primarily for long-range interception and air superiority missions, leveraging their powerful radar and Phoenix missiles. Approximately 35 of these aircraft remain operational. Complementing them are the Mikoyan MiG-29, with around 30 aircraft in service. These provide supersonic performance and multi-role capability, capable of defending Iranian airspace or conducting strike missions when needed. Iran has developed its own fighter jets to reduce dependency on foreign suppliers. This includes the Hiza-Sikh and the Hiza-Azarakh. These jets are primarily used for training, air defense, and light strike roles. The Hiza-Kausar represents Iran's most modern domestically produced fighter, capable of multi-role missions and equipped with modern avionics and weapon systems. Iran continues to operate older but still effective aircraft, such as the McDonnell Douglas F-4 Phantom II and Northrop F-5 Tiger II. The F-4s, numbering around 63, are used in strike missions and limited air combat, while the F-5s, with about 60 aircraft, handle air policing, training, and light combat roles. Other multi-role platforms include the Chengdu J-7 around 24 jets and Mirage F-1 about 24 aircrafts, which continue to serve in air defense and tactical strike missions. Dedicated strike missions are performed by the Sukhoi Su-24, numbering 30, which can deliver precision strikes, including air-to-air refueling buddy operations. These aircraft provide Iran with a credible tactical strike and interdiction capability. Despite facing logistical and maintenance challenges, this combination of imported, domestic, and upgraded aircraft allows Iran to maintain a layered and flexible fighter force, capable of defending its airspace and projecting limited regional power. Iran operates modified tanker aircraft to extend the range of its fighter fleet. The Boeing 707 serves in both transport and air-to-air refueling roles, with one dedicated tanker and additional transport variants. Even more significant is the Boeing 747, which operates in tanker and strategic transport roles. Notably, one variant has been adapted for electronic warfare missions, adding a specialized capability to Iran's fleet. Strategic and tactical airlift plays a vital role within the Islamic Republic of Iran Air Force, supporting troop movement, logistics, humanitarian missions, and aerial refueling operations. At the core of Iran's heavy transport capability is the IRIAF IL-76, with approximately 12 aircraft in service. These provide long-range cargo transport and strategic mobility. Complementing them is the Lockheed C-130 Hercules, with around 27 aircraft, used for tactical airlift, special missions, and supply operations. The Lockheed P-3 Orion provides maritime surveillance over the Persian Gulf, Strait of Hormuz, and surrounding waters, supporting naval coordination and regional monitoring. Separate from tactical airlift, the IRIAF maintains a dedicated VIP transport fleet responsible for carrying senior government officials, military leadership, and diplomatic delegations. This fleet includes Dassault Falcon 20, Dassault Falcon 50, Lockheed Jetstar. These aircraft ensure continuity of leadership mobility during peacetime and crisis situations. Iran's rotary wing fleet supports logistics and heavy lift operations. The Boeing CH-47 Chinook provides heavy transport capability, while the Augusta Bell 212 supports utility and transport missions. Pilot training is conducted using both foreign and domestic platforms. Advanced jet training is performed using the Yak-130, helping bridge the gap between training and frontline fighters. Basic and intermediate training includes aircraft such as the Pilatus PC-7 turbotrainer and the PAC MFI-17 Mushak. Iran is widely recognized for its extensive drone program. Combat and long-endurance UAVs include the Shahed-129 and the Shahed-149 Gaza, capable of reconnaissance and strike missions. Tactical drones such as the Mohajer 6 provide surveillance and precision strike capability. Loitering munitions like the Shahed-136 have gained international attention due to their operational use in modern conflicts. These systems significantly extend Iran's reach beyond traditional manned aviation. Air power is not only about fighters in the sky. It is also about the shield on the ground. The Islamic Republic of Iran Air Defense Force, operating alongside the Islamic Republic of Iran Air Force, forms one of the most layered air defense networks in the Middle East. Designed to counter fighters, cruise missiles, UAVs, and ballistic threats, Iran's system combines long-range, medium-range, short-range, and point defense assets into a multi-layered defensive grid. At the top of the defensive umbrella stands the S-300 PMU-2. This system provides engagement ranges of up to 200 kilometers and is capable of intercepting aircraft and ballistic missiles. It represents Iran's most powerful imported air defense asset. Domestically, Iran fields the Bavar 373, a long-range SAM system designed as an indigenous equivalent to advanced Russian platforms. It is capable of engaging multiple targets simultaneously and forms the backbone of Iran's strategic air defense. Another significant system is the Khordad-15, optimized to counter stealth targets and high-altitude threats. These systems protect major cities, nuclear facilities, and key military infrastructure. Supporting the long-range shield is a network of medium-range systems. The ROD provides mobile air defense capability, designed to intercept fighters, UAVs, and cruise missiles. Domestically produced systems such as the Yazara and Hers-9 provide additional low-altitude coverage. This layer ensures that even if an aircraft penetrates outer defenses, it faces multiple engagement zones. Iran's air defense network is not the most modern in the world. But it is dense, layered, and heavily integrated around strategic sites. In regional terms, it forms a formidable defensive shield designed to deter high-cost air campaigns and protect critical infrastructure. Iran is actively seeking modernization despite ongoing sanctions. Reports indicate interest in acquiring the Sukhoi Su-35, which would dramatically enhance air superiority capability. Iran has also shown interest in the Chengdu J-10C and the JF-17 Thunder, potentially diversifying its fighter fleet. In air defense, possible interest in systems such as the S-400 missile system and China's HQ-9 has been discussed. If realized, these acquisitions would mark a significant leap in Iran's aerial capabilities. From its origins in 1925 to its current role under the Islamic Republic of Iran Air Force has endured revolution, war, and decades of sanctions. Despite operating aging aircraft, Iran has compensated through domestic upgrades, a powerful layered air defense system, and one of the region's largest drone programs. The future induction of modern multi-role fighters could redefine Iran's air power balance in the Middle East. Thank you for watching Tactical Masters. Subscribe for more in-depth analysis on global air forces, military aviation, and tactical insights. Share your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for our next video.